Yo.
What it do?
It's GeeOwDeeWangaZAR, baby.
Shine black boy.
Yo, I swear, if Tupac was here right now, baby, go buck wild on this shit.
I'm in craze.
Freestyle type of shot this, you know what it is.
Of course.
Let's do this. Again.
Yeah. Hey. Now these niggas hating cause the flow is sicker than theirs. Hella heavy, got them feeling like I'm pissing the ears. Handle all my dealers on my wallet, keeping no fears. Throw a bill with my bare hairs, then ripping that tape. If it's revenge, grab a coat, cause I'm 7 and cold. Your puny pants catching flame from the light that you told. Not the stone that the builder refused. I am the stone that the builder cannot use. Why? Cause his little tunnel vision had no views. Nigga, you can see what I'm packing, it's raw juice. Probably run the city with no listen on my shoes. It's do or die, pick a side. Yeah, for now I hit 'em up. Niggas capping on the daily, I'ma shoot 'em pictures up. Put 'em on the lit diet so you know the jig is up. Heard a couple niggas saying that they sicker than me.
Hold a bitch that is full of me. There's nobody that sick as me.
Icon, I'm your favorite rapper's icon. Young Todd, to your king, me now I'm God. Hop on no beat, speed quick, then me now I'm gone. Hey, GeeOwDeeWangaZAR be on beast mode. 6 shots then reload. You fake like dildo, we ball like Vito.
Fuck beaches, get money.